What's good? What's good? What's good? Hey, shoot another video about Conversion Pros. Guys, the Conversion Pros has gave me a residual income literally every week. All from going out, just offering a free marketing system just to help others be successful in their main business. Not taking away from what they're doing. All from just pretty much, giving them the tools that they need to communicate with their leads, for them to duplicate, for their team to duplicate. Just make it a lot easier. Just to kind of give you a little overview of how I got going with it. I actually got started in Conversion Pros 2 years ago. And what I was doing, I was actually just letting people know how I'm utilizing it with MCA. What I'm utilizing, how I'm, marketing, making systems, sending out messages to people, how I'm buying leads and introducing those leads to MCA, and just was doing everything in-house. Everything was pretty much a business in a box, where I didn't have to go out and do so much. And that's what made it so much easier for me to be successful in my other businesses now. So a lot of things now that I do, I just put it on autopilot now and just kind of let it rock and roll. And the Conversion Pros has taught me how to do that. And a lot of people are doing that as well. And the only thing that we're doing is passing out a free website. Again, that helps you get on the leaderboards, or to help you get more sales, to help you get more teammates, whatever it is. The business is designed to help you. And my goal, I never want to take you away from your babies. Because could nobody tell me anything about MCA. When I first came in this business for years, you can never tell me anything about MCA. That's my baby. I wouldn't look no other way a lot of times. But that's how some people are. And with me, I'm a marketer. So, I have different programs for different people, because not everybody wants to join. Might want to join one of the programs that I'm in. So I might want to have something else to appeal to them. So that's me. I'm a marketer. I have different things. So, but trust me, if I'm going to market it, I'm not going to market anything that's bullshit or bull crap. At the end of the day, I want to market something that's real, that you can utilize, and something that's going to help you. And that's why I say the Conversion Pros, it's a residual income as well. So when I'm going out, I'm telling people, and they're like, damn it, I want to use this, Jay. Pretty much, they can either do a monthly subscription, they can do it semi-annually, or they can do an annual payment. So you don't have to make a $25 residual income each time. You can literally make a lot more. Sky's the limit with the Conversion Pros. You can make a lot more, as opposed to just that $25 that most people get paid, because it's $25 residual income. It's $50 a month, after your 7-day trial. So if you decide you want to utilize it, it's $50 a month, and they're going to pay you $25 residual income to that person. So, trying to make sure I got everybody some room right here. Trying to make sure I got them some room. Alright, so it's $50 a person. $50 a month. So after 7 days, so we don't ask for a credit card for 7 days. So you can try this whole system out pretty much for damn near free. Nothing required, no obligations, no nothing. Then once it's approaching, that's when you'll receive a little notification stating, hey, your 7 days is coming due. Do you want to go ahead and make, get going with this? And it's up to you. If you want to keep struggling, you want to, try to find something that's going to show everybody, because the thing is that this is why you want to have this, man, because just to put it out there. Dave, the owner of TCP, one of the owners of TCP, he does all the damn work, man. He has all these trainings set up as far as how to, market, go out here and get sales and leads if you don't have a budget. And then in the Facebook training, the Facebook group, he does all these live trainings as far as what to do to leads, what to say to leads, what to call and say, how to text them, pretty much how to go out and promote. So you got somebody that's doing all the heavy lifting. The only thing you need to do is get people in the system. That's why I do it. Literally, that's why I do it. So easy, man. So easy. A caveman can do it. Only thing you're doing is just being a third party, saying, hey, you need help with your business? We got you over here. We got leads. You can buy leads in the back office. Leads that already been proven and tested, saying, hey, I want to make some money. What you got? You got to reach out to them. It's up to you. You just got to reach out to them. I'm going to put you in a position. Now, you just got to do what you got to do on your side now that you're in that position. All right, so, You guys seen it the other day. I put up another video, you know, showing that I have sent some funds to my PayPal over from the Conversion Pros. Nothing's changed. I'm doing this every week, literally. So I fund crypto with it. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been funding a lot of crypto. MCA, man, has been doing his thing still, so definitely shout out to MCA. Shout out to everybody that's inside of MCA doing the thing. Shout out to everybody inside of Power Mining Pool. Shout out to everybody inside of Big Connect, USI Tech, MCA, the Conversion Pros, Easy One Up, Best Easy Work, the Super Affiliate Network, man, the income stream. Shout out to everybody because I got videos that I've shot. We're still checking these videos out and they're joining, so that's why I still provide my trainings as far as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads. So, you know, definitely if you come in anything with me, man, and you invest, you know, you a member, shoot me an email, man, and I definitely get you this additional training. So that's what I want to do. 2018 is about making sure that everybody wins, so I'm giving everybody my training for free as long as you come in and you pick a program and you get going. Not just signing up, because all these programs are free. A lot of them are free that I'm really promoting heavy right now, which is, you know, the Conversion Pros. And even if you do MCA, I'm still get you this training, okay? So MCA, the Conversion Pros, those are my main programs that I promote up front. The Super Affiliate Network pretty much has coaches where they do their own thing, man. The coaches do it all. You don't have to worry about anything. So, you know, they give you a lot of training. I get you training on that. Anything you join me in, man, and you get going, I'm gonna provide you training, okay? But you gotta get going. And whatever program it is, but you gotta get going because I got a lot of free programs. You gotta get going. So that's why I say anything you join me in, you just shoot me an email. And you gotta shoot me an email because that way I want people to say, hey, this guy reaches out. This guy's, he's real. He talks back, okay? So my thing is this, I'm about to actually get a whole nother email that's strictly for this type of business, and then I'm gonna keep all my crypto stuff in a different email where that's not even gonna be anybody's business on that one. So I gotta switch stuff up, man. I can't have people trying to get in on my videos and everything, so nothing's gonna be associated with anything as far as my wallets goes. It's gonna be associated with this particular email. But definitely, you know, get going with one of the programs. And then, like I said, shoot me a message on here and I'll provide you. If you don't have my email, I'll provide it to you, you know, which email, because I'm about to make a new one today for the new year. So, if this video, matter of fact, this video, I'm going to have it ready by the time this damn video is even up, man. This is what it is. I'm going to have this video together by the time it's already up, I'm going to have the email together. So, I'm going to have the email right at the bottom. Fuck it. We're going to have the email right at the bottom. You're going to check it out. You know, if you have questions, and that's the email where the email me saying, Jay, I'm in. Okay, that's all we need is just say, Jay, I'm in, and with your real information, and I'll check everything out and shoot you the additional training. So this is gonna be for the people that are into the recruiting world. You know, you want to bring in leads, I'm gonna help you. All right, so get inside, man. Conversion Pros is what it is. Duplication, man. Duplication. That's what's gonna get you to that next level. That's what's gonna make you a lot of money. Is being able to bring people into the business and get them going as well. And, you know, when you're able to set a system up and a whole damn sales funnel to get it done, anybody can do it. All right, so we're going to wrap it on up, man. Yeah, Happy New Year. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.